Hello subscriber, welcome to the daily market analysis. As we have taken a poll into our telegram channel that above 16,046, I was targeting 16,400 plus levels and we are nearly hit the target yesterday, and if you look at the SGX opening today, it's indicating 16,475. So it is nearing our target in yesterday's target hitting today. What should you do? Should you book profit or should you continue to hold? Let's look at the charts first. I would like to start with daily chart over here, and 16,520 is a key resistance because its 200-day average is placed over there. So in case today, if I believe 16,500 could be a good area to look for profit bookings, at least you do part profit booking, and in case market trends above 16,540, 545 convincingly, then you can carry on to your some of the positions. Or in case you want to do a trailing system, if I go on to the daily chart, if you look at the momentum over here, it's still bullish structure, and as a trailing system I generally use a Heikin-Ashi trailing system over here. So if you look at the Heikin-Ashi, the last bullish candle was 16,251, and if you are looking for a trailing system, at least I would suggest book part at 16,500 and keep a stop loss of 16,245 for the part into the today's momentum. I still believe, yes, if I just look at the structure over here, the upper band of the channel is placed at 16,600. So probably we might see a rally towards 16,600 levels. And most importantly, if you look at the most of the hurdles, the gap area, the previous highs have been taken out convincingly. Yes, the major trend change level will be 16,800 levels for if in case markets want to do a bigger trend change. If I go on to the weekly chart over here and look at the weekly chart, still the lower high lower low structure is still intact. So 16,800, 793, probably 16,800 once taken out, we might see a higher high, the lower high low lower high structure being negated, and as per the Dow theory it will turn to be the reversal structure. uh, if you remember, if you are tracking us on YouTube, I have done a video in yesterday's session that the IT index could be a short-term bottom. So I just show off the couple of charts why I think IT index could be the bottom, and I also then discuss the Nasdaq. Let me show the Nasdaq chart over here. If you haven't watched the video, I would request go on to the YouTube channel and watch the channel. I will be posting the same chart into the group as well, Telegram channel. So look at the structure over here onto the, yeah. So again, the Nasdaq has formed the ascending triangle structure and it's breaking out of the ascending triangle structure. And if I look at the IT index, let's start with the weekly chart over here. Yeah, so there are multiple bullish harmonic pattern. There is a structure of reversal happening. The long-term channel support is there, and if I go on to the daily, which was more convincing for me, where IT is indicating a short-term bottom, is the triple divergence. If you look at the lows over here, there was a lower low onto the price action, and if you look at the RSI over here, the RSI is forming the higher lows. Again, a bullish sign of bullish divergence. So I think we have seen banks coming back very, very strongly. As I indicated onto the bank Nifty that 35,600 was a resistance, and in yesterday's case, it resisted over there. But now it has broken 36,634 yesterday's high, and I believe the momentum could continue. The previous high of 35,543 was also taken out, so I'm expecting this trend line to head towards 36,000 plus levels. Uh, and if you are an active on my Telegram channel, I generally post the levels as well, and you, so that as a trader, the levels to levels play a key important role, and I share the levels over there. So look for a profit booking around 16,500, at least part profit into the Nifty. Uh, and look, if you're looking for a trailing system, 16,245 is the trailing stop loss now, and IT could be the one which could again see a positive momentum, which may take Nifty higher. But as a trader, at some point of time, you need to look for a profit booking as well. So we, at least 150 points will be a key important role for a trader. So I would suggest book part profit, book and look for a trailing of a half positions at 16,245. And IT bank nifty is also a positive, so one could look for a bullish momentum, probably 2 to 3 days more. And even if you look at the weekly expiry over here, if I just go on to the derivative structure, still 16,500, 16,600 calls have been aggressively written, so they also may act as a resistance zone. So though if you look at the past past few expiries, the trap has been already there. If in case it happens to be a trap, we may see a short covering rally above 16,600, but at least keep part booking at the current level. And in case we fail, we might retest 16,350, 16,318 levels, which could again be an entry for bulls. So signing off and have a profitable day.